Milk frother. Miroco electric milk steamer soft foam maker for hot and cold milk froth. Cappuccino, coffee, latte, double wall milk warmer heater with extra whisks, non-stick interior, Strix control. 4 delicious settings, indulge cafe-quality drinks like coffee, cappuccinos, latte, hot milk, hot chocolate and flat whites at the push of one button on the milk frother. 3 exquisite textures. This milk frother prepares 3 different textures of milk foam, 3.9 ounces 115 milliliters of hot airy foam, hot dense foam and cold milk froth for heavenly coffees in no time. Also heats 8.10 ounces 240 milliliters milk for a good breakfast. Note, please use whole fat milk for frothing. Double wall, easy cleaning. The insulated double wall design with a non-stick coated stainless steel cup makes cleaning super easy. Simply wipe with an additional cleaning brush or a wet cloth. Ergonomic grip, comfortably hold the milk steamer by its streamlined silhouette to prepare your favorite drink from a turmeric latte to a classic cappuccino. Safer by design, ETL-listed milk steamer is equipped with Strix Temperature controller and switches off automatically when your milk or froth is ready. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.